In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use stickers on WhatsApp Web effectively. We'll guide you through every step of the process to ensure that you can personalize your chats with your very own stickers. It's a fun and creative way to enhance your messaging experience. In just a few moments, you'll find yourself diving into the world of custom sticker creation. First, let's take a look at opening a chat. If you've been using WhatsApp Web for a while, you're probably familiar with this step. Simply navigate to your contacts list and click on the chat of a friend or group where you'd like to send your new stickers. If you're new to the platform, you can easily access your chats from the sidebar on the left. Once you have your chat open, look towards the bottom of the chat window for the familiar emoji icon, located conveniently next to the text input field. Go ahead and click on it. A new window will emerge, displaying a world of emojis, GIFs, and stickers. What we're interested in today is the Stickers tab, so make sure to select that. Here comes the exciting part, creating your very own sticker. You'll notice an option to create within the Stickers tab. Click on this option to start the process. This opens up the Creative tool where you can bring your imagination to life. At this point, you will need to select an image you want to turn into a sticker. You can either upload an image from your device or choose from any pre-existing image on your computer. Once you've chosen an image, a simple edit window will appear. Here, you can resize, crop, or even add text to your image to make sure that it conveys the perfect message or emotion you desire. Take a moment to play around and explore all the editing options available. You can add fun, quirky text, or colorful doodles. Let your creativity run wild. Remember, the goal is to create something that's uniquely yours, so feel free to experiment until you're satisfied with the final product. After you're done customizing your sticker, simply save it, and voila! You've just created a personalized sticker ready to use in your chats. It will be stored with your other stickers, accessible directly from the Stickers tab whenever you need it. This feature allows you to not only enhance your conversation visually, but also adds a personal touch to every message you send. That's all there is to it. With just a few simple clicks, you now have the power to create captivating stickers on WhatsApp Web. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and start adding a dash of personality to your conversations today. Thank you for watching, and happy